guys, we're going to try something I haven't tried in a while. Vibration absorbers. So we got our 3/4 here and our 3/8 here. That'll save me from having to tear a bunch of drywall up, and I'd like to not have to do that, so give it a try. So I got my Allens on there. I got my suction line almost completely closed, and I have my liquid line ready to go. I'll close it once the system starts running, get it to pump down into the unit, and then I'll close off my suction. So just use my cheap gauges for this. Let's get this thing pumped down. I'll get these lines cut loose. All right, guys, I got her all pumped down. Gauges are at 0. Valves are closed. I had to kind of bumblefuck it because I forgot my speedy ratchet on another job. So, but we're gonna peel this back. We're gonna get these guys cut and get these things installed. God, I hope they work. I really hope they work. Okay, guys, I got these in. I got my joints sanded up the best I could. I made a couple more joints. I really should replace that filter dryer, but we don't have a burnout or anything. It's only been running for a couple weeks. But I got these in. They recommend that you get these as straight as you can, so I did a little bit of reconfiguring with my filter dryer. And we'll get our nitro hooked up, and we'll protect these, get some rags on here, and braze it up. God, I hope this works. I know I keep saying it, but God, I hope this works. All right, guys, I got my nitro hooked up, flowing about 2 psi through there. Got all my valves protected. I got my vibration absorbers protected. I'll just move the rag over to here after I do the suction side, and we'll pressurize it up and get the vacuum pump going. I'll say it again. Let's hope this works. I'm crossing all my fingers and all my toes and anything else I can cross. My nuts, whatever. All right, guys. Normally I set up and show you guys how I braze, but you've seen me braze enough times. Not my prettiest brazes ever, but effective. Let's get some nitro pumped in this guy. Okay, guys, this setup looks kind of wonky. That's because I couldn't get my micron gauge on there, and I couldn't find my little 45 fitting to go on there. So it is what it is. We're gonna pull our vac through the gauges, and I just have it mounted here to my other port on my gauge. So turn this pump on. Oh, there she goes. She got a wave. 9,500 and dropping. I'm gonna change my oil again. After this one I will. Take a break. 900. Looking good. I like it. Alright, I'm gonna go get some lunch. Alright, guys, back from lunch. We are at 470 on our microns. Pretty good. Let it run for a bit longer. I'm going to go up and kind of bouncing around, but it's probably got some moisture in there. Like I say, I'm gonna go up and hook up this other tankless water heater, hook the gas up so we can get that one fired off. I'll take you along with me. Coming around here to see. Oh, I have to shut the whole thing down. He should have isolated these 2 lines with 2 separate valves, sucker. I guess I could have put a valve in. Alright, I'm gonna shut all the gas off. I'm gonna go turn the power off to that tankless too so it doesn't go into air. Alright, gas is off. You guys remember our little lovely area down here. Lights is on. That other system way. Told my brother to seal that off, and he didn't put the door back on. Sucking in outside air. Damn it. Alright, let's go unplug this guy. Ugh. This is the one that's been on. Let's just unplug him. Don't let me forget to plug him back in. Somebody remind me. All right, let's head up top to the other side, and I'll show you this other one. All right, guys, we're above this bathroom, the upstairs. So this is where he decided to put the tankless, because there was no room on my platform for my exhaust fans here. Got your acid neutralizer there, because this goes into the household plumbing. Very important to have that on there. Got our little valve kits there for our water lines, cold and hot. He's got his CPVC relief there. Looks like he redid that. Interesting, because originally he had it in PVC, which I told him was a big no-no. But my gas, oh god, is down in there, which sucks. So I got to get a wrench on there and get that cap off. And I'm hoping that the cap spins and not the pipe itself. That's going to really suck. I can move this drain pan though. That'll give me a little bit more. Slide this drain pan out of here. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's see if this cap will spin off without the whole pipe spinning. What are the odds? Probably not good. Not in my favor. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's not good video. I can't really see it, but whatever. Is the pipe spinning or is the cap spinning? That is the question, kids. I can't tell. I can't put my hand on it to tell. Oh, I'm getting lucky. It's just the cap. And that stupid drain pan. Oh, getting lucky, guys. It's just the cap. Shit, don't drop your wrench down in there. Oh. Alright, let's get this off of there. I don't think the pipe moved. Nope, just the cap. That's fun. That's weird because I machine tied the cap, I thought. Gotta love my life. Okay. Let's see if I can get that hand. Nope, not yet. Not that strong. Oh, God. Alright, I'll close the video out until I get this off. Alright, got her doped up. And then I'm going to put the old high flow gas flex on there. Let's get that on there. I won't bore you with me down in the corner here. We'll get that on, then I'll show you the drip leg and stuff. Alright guys, took some excuse me, took some damn doing getting it on back there in that corner. What I had to do was turn my channel locks backwards and just kind of tighten as hard as I could. And we're tight now. I'll spray, definitely going to spray this down when I get the gas back going. We got our flex out here now. Here's our gas connection, drip leg. And oh, I got to get the valve out too. Preferably you want the valve on this side of the flex, or on that side. There's no way I'm getting a valve on there, so this is what it's going to be. We're just going to put the valve on here, and if they need to kill gas the unit, they're just going to turn the whole line off. That's the way it's going to have to be, guys. Alright guys, drip leg is on. A little tip, I'm going to go around one more time, but stop your T where it's easy to work on and get your little piece on there, your little flare to NPT piece for your flex, and it's easier to get on. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. It's real tight up here. But yeah, easier to get on, then we can just spin it around and make our last connection there, so you don't have to try to tighten it back in here. We don't need to. All right, that's my big blue leak detector in this spray bottle here. I'm gonna start down there, spray all these joints, and we're probably gonna have to bleed that flex there to get the gas up here, and we'll fire this guy up. All right, I got her all sprayed down. I'll get my light shine down in there, just make sure. That's the one I'm really worried about, because I can only get it so tight. And these ones I'll check too, but yeah. If it all looks good, we'll probably bleed her and fire her up. All right, no leaks. I went ahead and bled out that line. There's no hot water taps open right now. I got my humidifier hooked up, but I don't have the humidifier up here running right now. So, you know, we can fire this thing up once we get a tap open that we can use. So right now it'll just sit here and stand by, but it's ready to go for him, and that's all he really wanted. So when I come back to do the wiring for that other humidifier and get that relay and stuff set up like the other side, then I will I'll make sure this guy's giving us hot water to our humidifier. So anyway, I'm gonna pull all this stuff out. We'll go back out to that heat pump, and I'm sure it's probably got a good vac on it now. We'll get it fired back up, and let's see if we hear a noise difference. The anticipation is killing me. All right, we're kind of bouncing 380, 400, somewhere in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a decay test and see where we're at after 5 minutes. Sorry guys. So yeah, now the system's running, and I got these guys absorbing a good portion of the vibration. It still is wiggling a little bit right here, but man, it sounds much quieter inside the house from how it was before. I'll take this. I'll take you inside, see if you guys can hear anything. All right, guys, we're over here where it's loudest. I'll be quiet for a second. You can still hear it. But, I mean, it's a piece of equipment. What do you want me to do? Alright guys, that's a wrap. Isn't it funny how it looked in the camera? It looks like this isn't spinning. But she is. I don't know the science behind that. But, yeah, look at these things. They're making a difference. Customer's going to come by with his wife later tonight when it's quiet. Nobody's here. And they're going to see what this sounds like. But, yeah. I put these in a long time ago. It's been a while, but they're working. I mean, it's quieter. You go on the other side of this garage wall and you can't even hear it. So let's hope he's happy. I don't know what else to do for him. If we start tearing apart that soffit, I will not be a happy man. So anyway, that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this.